Fresh, creamy, and packed with protein, this is my Green Goddess tuna bowl. That vibrant green sauce is where all the magic happens. Start with fresh herbs, garlic, lemon, and healthy fats. Simple ingredients with big flavor. Greek yogurt gives the sauce extra protein and that smooth, creamy texture. Blend until silky smooth. This sauce is rich in protein, gut-friendly probiotics, and healthy fats that keep you full and energized. Once blended, pour it out. Thick, green, and absolutely addictive. Now for the base, high-quality tuna, simple and powerful. Tuna is lean protein that supports muscle and keeps cravings away. Clean, minimal, and ready to build. Start with fluffy rice, spread it evenly. Add the tuna, then finish with a generous drizzle of that Green Goddess sauce. Top it with green onions and sesame seeds for crunch. One bite, creamy, fresh, and incredibly satisfying. Healthy food really can taste this good.